What's up, ladies and gents? In today's video, we're going to be doing a weekly recap on my trades. And without a further ado, we'll start with my first major trade, which is this loss right here. And this is why, ladies and gents, you don't go against your strategy. This was exactly here, down here. Um, this is not my main strategy. This is just like, I was just kind of like speculating. This is why I didn't really risk a lot. And yeah, and that's why how I lost. I was kind of targeting this bottom right here. I thought that potentially, maybe, hopefully, Bitcoin could reach that point, but it didn't, and that's okay. So small loss there, and then second trade, proper trade was this. I shorted up here. That was a good trade. So small size. I don't know why. I knew it was gonna go down because, oh my gosh, a really beautiful butterfly just landed on my laptop. Um, Basically, no distractions. I knew it was gonna go down because my theory was price is going away from the psychological area, and the psychological area is basically these orange lines down here. And the reason why these lines are important is they act as like a magnet for price, because at the beginning of the week, the market makers, the billion-dollar human beings, they'd like to manipulate price away from these ranges. So as you can see, let me just try and draw. They like to manipulate price away because then retail would be doing the opposite of what the market maker is doing. Market maker is selling, retail sees a pump and they're like, oh my God, let me jump in. And then they would buy from the market maker when they sell. So with that in mind, I thought, you know what, they're gonna bring price back. They're gonna mean revert to psychological ranges. I was right. Amazing. Here is where, this is Thursday, by the way. So I didn't really trade in the middle of the week. This was the first trade, second proper trade. Made a little bit of a profit, not enough to cover off this loss, honestly. But then I started buying up here, and as you can see, how amazing, right? Because I caught like a amazing move. You might think, you might be thinking, but the problem is I decided, and I was trying to go extra heavy, but for some reason I closed off because I was too much of a wuss. I should have gone extra heavy, but then I closed at a little bit of a profit. So if I were to open here, I'd close up there, and I added here, but closed up here basically. And yeah, the interesting thing is, like, I was following my strategy actually, but also because I don't really trade on Fridays, or I close my positions on Fridays, because going into the week from the weekend to Monday I don't trade, Fridays I don't trade because Monday I think it's too volatile, and Friday it's also too unexpected and volatile sometimes. So I closed it off incorrectly, so because there was an insane move and there was not really a clear sign of anything breaking down. So that was a monkey move by me, honestly, but we all learn, I guess. But that was basically my week. We came off with a little bit of a profit. I have another account, and I basically copy paste my trades on those accounts. Right now, I'll give you guys a little sneak peek. Right now I'm shorting the cryptocurrency market. I think price is hopefully gonna go back to the psychological ranges. Let's see what happens, and yeah, join me. Join me on this journey of trying to reach 10K a month by this year. I'm gonna work hard. I'm gonna be disciplined. I'm going to be smart, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and join the journey, ladies and gents. Peace.